In this video, I'll be showing you how to echo out audio in Premiere Pro. Now, it's really simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do this with any track you have. So I have a bit of music right here, and let's say I want to start the reverb here so it has like an echo effect. What I want to do is split the track wherever I want, like, the echo to start. Then right click and then nest the different, like the separate music track you have. Then go within the nest itself. Now, once I'm inside the nest, I want to go over to my project panel, right click, and then go to new item and then select black video. Once you do that, just make sure it's the same, dimensions and everything. And then what I want to do is I want to drag the black video farther than what the music is. So I'm just going to do that much just for as a safety net. And then I want to go back to my normal tab and then where it has my nest and my normal. And then what I want to do is go to my effects and then type in Studio Reverb like so. And then I can basically drag that onto here. And now it adds a Studio Reverb effect. What I can also do though is go to effects where it says Studio Reverb and then customize the setup as well. So I can, increase the decay if I want to, or change the room size. And those two things are the things that I would mostly mess with to really, get what I want. And it really just depends on what music you have or how loud you want it to be or anything like that. And then after you do that, you'll be good to go.